Filling up some water jugs from the spring. Is that water good, Bella?
Yeah. Hi.
All right, we're here at Pine Knob, I believe it's in Grayson County, Kentucky, and we just filled up some water jugs.
It's by the Rough River.
Yeah, it's close to Rough River. Just filled up some water jugs, and we're about to go hiking. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's been asking me
Do you
for a while.
want to see all the fishes that are in the lake?
Yeah.
There's so many. There's some are like that long.
So this is our Mommy and Me
really
day.
tiny.
She's been asking for, so we're off.
Yay.
Go ahead.
We'll show you all the cool stuff. Like there's like a cave thing and stuff. So we'll show you all that stuff. Even where like the Indians cook their food. Can you hold Foxy in the bag?
Yeah, here, give it to me. Give me Foxy.
I don't want her to fall and get all muddy.
All right, so this is the entranceway. Now this is a beautiful hike, but the first part is very steep.
Straight climb up. It's literally a straight climb up.
So we're literally going up there. It's a straight climb.
Oh.
It's fun though, isn't it, Bella?
Yeah. Now up here is where the Indian caves are. I mean, where the Indians cook their food at.
All right, here we go. Keep going, Bella.
We're almost to the top.
Okay, so this is only our second time coming here. We came here with some friends, and they kind of gave us a little bit of history. So Isabella is going to tell you what she learned on our trip. But this is at the top of the hill. So this is where we just walked up from down there. It is so pretty. And there's little nooks, little cave entrances all through here.
Here's where the Indians cook their food. And let me show you how they made the holes into the rock. Demonstration. They had this and this. Made a little Indian.
Now I said I'm guessing that's what they did. Let me see.
That's sand.
Yeah.
It's like sand.
Let me see the holes.
Okay. One has a cobweb in it.
Mm-hmm.
There's
That's a pretty big one, isn't it?
Yeah. And then there's a bunch of pretty plants over here.
Sure is peaceful.
Sure, some of the Indians slept over here, where it was nice and shady.
They might have slept in those little
Yeah,
spots.
that's what I was thinking.
And they stayed out of the rain and stuff, yeah. All right.
So
You ready?
so they could cook on the rainy days.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I think I see some cave writing.
Yeah, it looks like somebody crawled up there and did that.
Maybe it's cave writing.
I don't think it's from the
Maybe
Indians.
the Indians did it.
All right, you ready?
Look at these leaves. That's a cool mushroom. Take a picture.
Ooh, that's different, huh?
Take a picture of that. So soft. Maybe we discovered a new species of mushroom. I'm gonna name it the ping pong mushroom. If it's a new species,
It looks like a ping pong?
yeah. If it's a new species, I'm gonna name it a ping pong mushroom. Because it looks like a ping pong. Wait, what? Wait. I mean a golf ball. I meant a golf
Yeah,
ball.
a golf ball.
A golf ball mushroom. Something buzzing around my head. There's poison oak. Where do we go? This way or that way?
Yep, this is where you go in between the wall.
Yeah, we go up there.
So, we gotta go through there, around to the other side.
Can
We'll
you
see if
put
we make
her
it.
in the bag? I don't want her to get all dusty.
Other side. A lot easier to come down. I did not make it. Got the moss?
It's written in the moss.
Oh yeah, it looks like somebody wrote their name.
Cute. Cute. I don't remember any sand here.
What was the song you were just singing?
Oh, it's a song I learned from church. I don't know the whole thing.
How's it go?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Jesus died for you and me. That's all I can really remember.
Cute.
And then you go frontward from the baby ABCs, and then you say stuff, and then you go backwards and say stuff. I don't remember there being any sand. That's a look. They look pointy, but they're really soft. It's moss.
And you
This
said
is
it was what?
It's the Princess of Nature's carpet.
Yeah. The Princess of Nature.
Which is me.
She says she's a nature princess.
The Princess of Nature. You're in charge of the plants.
I'm in charge
I'm
of the plants.
in charge of the animals.
Oh.
Daddy's in charge of the water, and Bobby's in charge of the bugs.
We coming up on the cave? Is this the cave entrance?
Here it is. But that's the false entrance. You gotta pay attention. That's the false entrance. Still upper more. Because the actual entrance. See?
Oh
The
yeah,
false
you're right.
entrance. It's the false
Oh look, there's a frog.
Where?
Right here.
Where's that? I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh, I see it. Come here, little froggy. Hello. I'm gonna name it.
He's
Yeah.
going back in.
It's pretty. It's a pretty color.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna name you Brownie. I'm gonna name it Chocolate Milk.
Oh. All right,
Wait.
let's keep going.
Wait, Kiko Milk. No. What's butterscotch milk?
All right, go over.
Oh. Maybe a mountain lion scratches off.
A mountain lion.
Or a raccoon.
We're talking about it looks like something's been scratching at it.
Or a panther. Or termites. Maybe termites did it. They're decomposting it. Termites. Maybe it was termites. We're coming up on the cave entrance. Wait.
Yep, now we're coming up on it.
Wait, no, that was the false cave entrance. Or was it?
Nope, this is the big one.
Okay. False cave. This one was the false cave entrance.
Because you want to show me around the other way?
This was the false cave entrance.
Well, this is the way we went in.
I'm pretty sure they said that this one was the false cave entrance.
It's so cool. There's all kinds of like nooks and crannies. That's what those little spots are. But she wants to show me how her friends told her to go up. Come on.
Who's riding? It's somebody.
It's beautiful here.
Here's the cave entrance that they took me to. I remember them taking me to this cave entrance.
This one?
Yeah, I couldn't climb up. I was like, where's the curve? Because I couldn't climb up the curve.
Oh.
That's what I remember. And Jordan had to help me get up.
So Miss Bella just showed me the path that her friends took.
She said she doesn't like that I'm up this high.
Hang on a minute. So this is the little path. And
We didn't go past this.
there's a drop off.
We didn't go past this. Right, then there's a drop off.
It's pretty small through there, but all the kids did it. So now she wants to go in the cave, which is also very high up.
Hi.
So this is where all the kids hung out last time, and us adults were down there. So she
There's
wants to
like a
climb
little
over there.
cave in right there, but I'm not going to go back there.
I see it, and she just found a smiley rock.
Look, it's over there.
Right there. Boop.
I'm going to stay right here because then there's like a little cave. Look, this could have been a little house for Indians.
Native Americans.
Native Americans. That could have been a bedroom.
It could have been. There are so many nooks down there, isn't there?
Yeah,
The
this
kids were
could have
climbing
been
all
their
through 'em.
home. There's a little window. There's the window. Sand down. It rubs the sand down.
It's pretty cool up here.
Yup. Look, I think that was a bedroom.
Yeah. We can go down there and check it out.
Okay.
Are you down up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty steep.
That's okay. I think you're very brave for doing
Look.
that.
There's a dead bug.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty boring when you're the only one down
Yeah.
up there. Pretty
When your
boring.
friends aren't with you?
Yeah, it's pretty boring.
Well, just because Mommy gets nervous,
It's all right.
I think you're very
Look up.
brave for doing it.
I'm not that scared.
You're not scared?
I'm
Only Mama.
careful. I'm careful.
So as Mama, I do get nervous, but I am happy that she does stuff like this. So helps her learn her balance and all kinds of stuff. All right, we're heading back. There's all kinds of ways into this cave.
Yeah.
So this is another way.
See,
Oh, because it was slippery.
yeah, I can't get up.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Here, you take the phone?
Sure.
Go show them around.
This is inside the cave. One more there. Look at all those holes in the cave.
Oh, this is you guys where we were standing.
Yeah. There's the
Come here.
opening over there. It's a little dark.
Hang on, please. Yeah, so this is the first entrance we seen. When we came up on it, it's real big and open. Here's a side entrance. And then this is where we just were. We went around and up. But this, I was talking about all these holes. Like this one right here, the kids were crawling through. Then there's like a natural slide that you guys had over here too.
Yeah, there's some slide things.
It's so dark in here, but I can't see nothing. Yeah, so that's what they were using for the natural slide. Are you gonna slide today?
Yeah.
All right, show me how it's done. Right here, this part.
Oh yeah, that part. I didn't really slide a bunch.
Yeah, Bella. Right
No
here,
more
this,
picking.
right here, literally, like it just goes down,
Oh.
like a little slide. Here's the slide. It's pretty cool in here though.
Actual slide.
She wants to see if she can make another natural slide right here.
Oh. This slide.
I'm only going to help you that little bit because if you want to do it, you have to do it yourself.
See, I slid off.
Oh, that was a natural slide.
Yeah. There's a bunch of sand.
Yeah, it's kind of slippery to go that high. You could probably make it to about right here. A little bit easier. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, it's all you.
Don't have anywhere to put my feet.
Gotta use your whole body. Is that as far as you're going?
Easier for me to put my feet and pull.
Step up right here
Where?
on that side with your other foot. This foot right here. You can't get it?
Hard.
Whoa!
I fell into the sand.
Good thing it's a soft landing.
Yeah. I want to go up there and adventure.
Oh, I don't think we'd make it up there. You can keep trying though.
Keep falling.
You gotten pretty far. There's your slide spot.
I hope I don't hurt myself. I'm gonna slide down. There's a lot of sand.
Yeah,
Hard to get up here.
might hurt your bum.
Scared.
Are you afraid now?
I can't move. Can't move over.
All right. Well, you made it far.
Can you see me?
All right, we'll see how it goes. You got to come down right here, though. I'll help you from here.
That was so much fun.
You did it. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
You ready to slide down?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll catch you again.
Well, I want to do it by myself.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you were going to catch you.
I'm going to try to do it.
Well, when you came down right here, did it flip you up? Because then you're going to hit this. Okay. Worst case you're going to do is hit your bottom. Woo! You did it all the way. Yay!
Soda.
Here, give me the bag. So I do try to teach my kids that anywhere we go, we should leave it better than we found it. Especially a place like this. So it looks like somebody's been hanging out here and there's a lot of trash. So we're gonna pick it up.
Spider's web. Where'd he go?
Bella found a little tiny frog.
Oh, he's right there.
Yep. It's a little one.
It's like as big as my thumb.
Whoop. He hopped away. There's a red ant. That thing's it.
Brown flint, which is a thing.
Found some flint.
And I'm gonna keep it.
Our friend taught us about that too, huh?
Yeah. And then there was a nice lady at one of the flea markets that we went to once.
Mm-hmm.
And then she was like selling rocks and stuff. She was like selling flint, and there was brown flint. And this is brown flint.
Yeah. Always good to learn from other people, huh?
Yeah. My shoes are filled with sand.
You want to sit down and dump them out on this rock?
No, it's not that much.
All right.
It's not.
She's ready to get back and play in the water for a minute before we go.
Yeah.
Back up we go.
Wait, is that a bat?
No.
Katydids?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, it must be mating season. Everything mates in the summer. Must be trying to find a mate.
Maybe.
Loud.
Here, you want me to take it? I'm gonna go ahead and walk around.
Okay. Wait, I'll climb up here with them.
Don't drop my phone, okay?
I won't.
Be very careful.
Okay, so.
It's looking at you right now.
I know. Wait. Huh? Oh, yeah. This is the climb steep. This is the climb backwards.
Hey, Bella. Put your finger through that little hole thing so it doesn't drop.
Oh, so cute!
What?
Oh, I can't touch it. It's a white fuzzy thing. See?
All right, come back.
It's a caterpillar. It's white. Oh. Oh gosh. I don't think I can go down that. Wait, I think I'm gonna go around. It's so cute. It's a white fuzzy thing. It's right there. Right there. I wanna show. Oh, there it is. Right there. See it? I can't touch it. It might be poisonous. Oof. I can't go down the other way. It's way too steep. Way. I'm going back. I'm gonna go your way. Where that you went. Way too steep. I cannot do that. Way too steep. My brown flint. Dropped it. Got it.
Gentle. No, come down this way.
Why?
The trail's right here.
Oh. Silly me. What a wonderful sights. It's pretty. Big log. Well, that's a big tree I found. Hey, Mama.
Oh,
Mama,
actually, the trail
there
drops
was a-
down that way, too.
Huh?
Right by that tree.
Mama, did you?
All right. That was the end of our hike.
This is the brown plant.
Yep. Now what are we going to do?
I'm going to go down the hill. I'm going to get dressed into my swim clothes because I don't know where my swimsuit is. And then I'm going to go try to catch a fish.
Yeah.
Who wants to watch me try to catch a fish?
Let's do it.
Yeah. You come back here, fishies. Fishy, fishy. I'm going to catch a fishy.
Is it cold?
I'm gonna catch a fishy.
Is the
Yeah,
water
it's
cold or warm?
It's cold. And I'm going to catch a fishy. Fishy, fishy. I'm going to catch a fishy. Fishies. Fishies. Come here, fishy, fishies. Come here, fishy, 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 fishy. I'm trying to act like a fishy so they come towards me and I catch a big one.
That scares them away
Oh, it does?
when you're walking. They see the water. You notice how none are around you now? If you go real slow walking by them, they might stay. But if they see things moving, they usually get scared.
Fishies. Come here, little fishy fishy.
You're so silly.
Remember there being more rocks in the pond. They must have took them out.
Look, some might have washed away. Look, there's some coming up behind you. Right behind you. Be still. You see them? Look, there's a whole bunch of them coming. Look up. Look up.
I just stay close so I can catch it.
Oh, yeah, they're all around your feet.
Gotta wait to the right moment to catch them. Wah ha 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 ha. Hey, I think I felt one touch me.
Probably.
Oh no, you're gone.
There's a bunch of tiny ones around here, aren't there?
Oh no, that was it. Skip it.
Okay, try to skip it. Remember, like a frisbee. They only go once?
Yeah.
Try again.
Where's another stone? Here.
Oh, that's too big.
No, I'm just joking.
Gotta find a flat one.
This?
Yeah, that might work. Hang on. All right, try.
Really? I've never.
Practice, practice.
Stone.
Like a frisbee. Well, look, you want to kind of get level. Remember how I went down like this? And I kind of went like this? You can't just go boom and just flop it in, because it's just going to flop.
This one's
Yeah,
slippery.
try that one.
I think it skipped a little. I think it skipped a little.
Maybe. I don't know. I didn't see it. I just seen it go pop.
Hello, little pussy plant.
Whoop,
I
slippery.
slipped. It's slippery. Pile the fungi.
All right, so we have a old Coke
Coca-Cola.
machine. We're gonna try.
Right here
Yep.
it says coin.
Here at the bottom.
Yep. Last one.
Okay, pull it out.
That one. Whoa, this is cool.
That's so cool.
So we got Coke. There was Coke, and then there was Coca-Cola, there was Coke, and then there was Sprite.
Yeah. Diet Coke, Coke,
Yeah,
and Sprite.
Diet.
So there's the opener. Bella's learning all how it used to work. Go all the way up. There you go. Try it.
Tastes good.
Go.
Ah.
It's lunchtime.
And we have some cheese and some pickles and Coca-Cola
Peppers.
and some summer sausage
Summer sausage.
and granola bars.
Granola bars.
From Melaleuca.
Yeah. And then I have some tea. She has some Coke. And she brought our little cups for us.
They're mine.
Ice cream time. She's got Oreo.
I
got the cotton candy didn't
Cotton
come.
candy.
We decided to stop by the park on the way. So we
It's
could eat.
actually open.
And it's open. Since COVID's been going on, it's been closed, but there it is. Somebody let her have about 10 minutes to go play afterwards.
It's my favorite park.
Mm-hmm.
Me and
It's
my
been a great
Bubba.
day, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.